Good afternoon, guys. Well, why am I sitting here with mulch? Because I'm going to do some yard work. Let me kind of explain it to you. If you've been on our channel very much, you know that we have tubs for plants because we still live in the edge of the city. We don't have a lot of room. And one of the biggest problems last year I had is I had a hard time trying to trim in between each one of these tubs. Love the tubs, just hard to do. So what I'm going to do for right now is put some weed barrier down, put some landscape tape around it, and put some mulch so I can come out to about right in here, and that way it'll be a lot easier to mow around and trim around. So I'm going to get to work and you get to see me work. So first thing I want to do, I want to take and mow the grass around here, and then I'm going to take my weed eater and kind of get it down as short as I can to put the weed fabric down. So my plan is that I'm going to run this along the edge of the house, actually kind of lay it up against it a little bit, about an inch or so, and then come out as an L on the other side. So we'll see how that works. So there's what I'm planning on doing, is running. I'll have another one. I got to use that timber to measure it, put that in there, kind of give me an edge, and it kind of keeps, because I'm going to put mulch in there, from it spreading out. So I have some spikes that I had. I'm going to drill holes every so often and spike them down so they don't move so much. Now I'm not really expecting these just to hold it down, just keep it from sliding sideways on it. So the nails, I know, is not going to really hold it down. What I'm just trying to keep it from doing is shifting side to side a little bit. As you can see, it's blaze approved. So now I'm going to set the planter pots back in there, and then I'm going to fill around them with mulch. Actually, I changed my mind. First, I think I'm going to put some mulch right against that back side, against the trailer, to help hold everything down. What I'm doing that for is, I know against the trailer I didn't want to put a board, so there's a chance the grass will grow up and over. I'm trying to just keep it as much as I can down. Cool. With the new spacing on this edge right here, I think I can put 2 more tubs, at least 1 if not 2. So I'll be looking to get 2 more tubs put in here. Now I'm going to start just putting the mulch around them and fill it in. job mostly done. I've left this part over here with none on it till I can get some other tubs, and then I'll do the finish on it just like I did the rest. Well guys, what do you think? Let's give you a close-up of it. I think it looks a lot better, and it'll be a whole lot easier to keep the grass mowed around it. Now, it won't be much longer and I'll start planting, and that's when I'll go more over my watering system that I got. It's not a real expensive one, but it works pretty good. Worked really good for me last year actually, so I was very well pleased with it. So I just got that little bit left, 2 tubs, some more dirt, and I can put some more plants in them. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this project of landscaping. Didn't cost me that much. I think I've got maybe $45 in what I put here, and I still have mulch left over because I bought extra mulch to do around our front of the trailer and everything. And so do it yourself, you can kind of make it look good. Now I could have got more fancier with the timbers and used different stuff in there, but remember, we are planning to move away from here eventually, so why would I want to put a lot of money into it? As our saying says, do what you can where you are, and this will help us and take care this summer for ease, for better. We'll have grass growing around it. So guys, please reach down there, give me that big thumbs up, and subscribe. Leave a comment. What do you think of this? What would you have done differently? Remember, I'm just trying to do something that's basically a temporary. I'm not doing a full. As you can see, Blaze, our dog, he's walked around. He kind of enjoys it. So, guys, take it easy. Have a good day. Bye.